Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are diving into the delicious history of the Jamaican beef patty, a culinary gem with a story as rich as its flavors, and of course one of my personal favorite foods from Jamaica. Let's go. My name is David, and if you are new to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with a friend, an enemy, a colleague, mommy, sister, cousin, uncle, auntie, everybody. Thank you so much. Back to the video. Alright, so where to start with this one? The Jamaican beef patty is a vibrant symbol of Jamaica's rich culinary tradition. It is relished and loved by everyone: students, construction workers, people that work in an office. You could be the prime minister, you could be the person cleaning the prime minister's office. Don't care who you are, everybody love a patty.
So should you.
Which kind of like reflects its universal appeal and cultural significance. If you've never had the pleasure of having a Jamaican beef patty,
Sorry.
imagine a flaky semicircular food, kind of like a turnover, maybe like an empanada. It's packed with lots of spices and fillings. Beef is the most popular filling, but it can also be filled with chicken, shrimp, callaloo, lobster, soy, just to name a few. The exterior is a beautiful golden yellow flaky crust, and patties are normally eaten with cocoa bread. Alright, so let's jump back in time a little bit to the history of how the patty was created. The Jamaican beef patty has culinary roots tracing all the way back to the Cornish pasty, which is a staple adopted during, Caribbean's colonial period. The Cornish pasty is actually a traditional English dish, kind of like a handheld pie made by placing uncooked filling, typically a hearty mix of beef, potatoes, rutabaga, and onions on a flat pastry circle, and then folding it over to wrap the filling in a D shape. The edges were crimped to seal in everything. And originally it was a practical lunch for Cornish miners because it's easy to carry and eat without cutlery, no knife and fork, and the thick crimped edge could be held with dirty hands without touching the rest of the pasty.
I'm 100% a Cornish miner, holding a Cornish pasty. This is my lunch, and it is delicious.
You can definitely see the similarities here between the pasty and the patty. The evolution in Jamaica saw the transformation of the traditional pasty into something uniquely Caribbean, with the island's culinary influence giving it a special kick, thanks to East Indian and African influences. The Jamaican beef patty, seasoned with a myriad of spices, and the heat from Scotch bonnet peppers, truly became Jamaica's flavor bomb. Patty wars in Canada. Fast forward to 1970s and 80s in Canada. The Jamaican beef patty is a big hit over there. It gets kind of spicy though. No pun intended. But due to some legal definitions, fast food joints and Jamaican bakeries clashed over the name beef patty. It was a big deal, leading to what's famously known as the Patty Wars. Eventually, the community rallied, leading to changes that recognize patties as a distinct part of Jamaican heritage. Big win. Jamaica, well. Anyway, back in Jamaica, one of the biggest patty debates is who makes the best patty? Tasty, juicy beef, mothers? For me, this is no competition. It's Tastee patty, hands down. Like, why are we even talking about it?
Cool decision.
I was in Jamaica a couple of months ago, and my brother told me that Mother's is actually the new king of patties. I don't know about all that, but what I do know is when you visit Jamaica, trying a patty is a must. This is non-negotiable. Even try a patty from, each shop, and then you let me know who the winner is in the comments, because I know who the winner is, but you can let me know your thoughts down below. But yeah, from the streets of Jamaica to cities around the world, Jamaican beef patty has made its mark. And of course, thanks to Caribbean migration, patties are now a staple in places like the UK, Canada, and the US. I live in New York currently, and I can get them around the corner at a deli, at a supermarket. Costco sells patties, but they just don't quite compare to a patty from Jamaica. There you have it, guys. That is the history of the Jamaican patty, a local favorite to a global sensation. I need to go have one right now. So I will catch you guys next time. Thank you for watching and peace.